Meanwhile, when the Windies Women T20 Windies World Cup T20 Women's World Cup begins at Edgbaston on June 12, Jamaica's Jacqueline Williams will be one of the two West Indian officials who will take their places among an elite all-women panel of match officials at the ICC event. Williams, who will be making her 5th appearance at the tournament, will be joined by Candice Laborde of Trinidad and Tobago, who will get her first taste of T20 action on cricket's biggest global stage. Williams, one of the most respected umpires in international cricket, joins fellow veteran Kim Cotton as the pair prepare to reach the milestone of 5 T20 World Cups. Together, they have been overseen 19 matches at previous editions of the tournament, a testament to their consistency and command under pressure. Williams, who became the first West Indies female umpire to stand in a men's T20 international between two full-member teams in 2022, is part of a 14-member umpiring roster that also includes 4 debutants for the tournament. The 2026 tournament will see the third consecutive appointment of an all-female Emirates ICC international panel of match officials. The group will be supported by 4 match referees. Australian umpire Claire Polosuk will stand in her 6th T20 World Cup, having already officiated 22 matches at the tournament, more than any other umpire.